Guys, are y'all ready to have a skibbity time?
Yeah, skibbity! Why are you talking about brain rot right now? Aren't you an adult? Okay.
Look at this guy clip farming. Clip farmer.
Don't say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even.
It looks like.
Estamos en Hurricane Harbor. Es un parque acuático. Hace calor.
I was once skinny.
I was too. Hey guys, isn't this skibbity?
Bonita bananita.
This is so skibbity.
No.
Hey, record me doing handstand.
You're gonna hit someone.
Okay, I can do a flip too. But this was big.
Es que hay mucha gente. Everybody get in a circle.
Everyone, let's do something. Let's play ring around the rosy. Ring around the rosy. Ashes, ashes.
O sea, ¿qué es eso?
Salgas el que le va al Barça.
Because I told we said all done and she started crying.
She looks traumatized.
Melanie, all done, right? Okay? No more soda because too much caffeine for you, little girl.
My hair's growing. Look. Papa. Papa. He's a cry. Fish it, fish it.
Siente aquí, siente.
Uncle, let's see who can name more soccer clubs.
Go.
I'll start.
Go.
Real Madrid,
Barça.
Atletico,
Liverpool.
Athletic Club.
Chelsea.
Why are you naming the clubs? Aston Villa.
PSG.
Los Tigres.
Dynamo.
Hey, I want to see that. This is going quicker than they thought.
¿Dónde juegan Messi?
No, Los Santos. Al-Nassr.
Inter Milan.
AC Milan.
Napoli.
Bayern.
Fiorentina.
Manchester City.
Austin FC.
Aston.
Austin FC.
Es un equipo de acá.
Manchester United.
Aston Villa.
¡Yo ya dije!
Okay, wait. Bruh.
The
5, 4,
Juventus.
3, Atalanta. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Benfica.
Porto.
40.
Sporting what?
Sporting FC.
Sporting FC? I think you have to.
Uncle, I said something. Your turn.
Mbappé. I told you it's cold. ¿Está fría?
A little bit more than the other one.
Aquí es un frillazo de la verga.
It moves fast, right? Mételo ahí, Gilma, mételo ahí. Mételo ahí. You got in there? Oh yeah, you're smart. Hey guys, doesn't this water feel so fidgety? That's the Skibidi toilet! The Skibidi toilet! Yeah, you didn't put
My bolito is
My colito in bikini.
No, es.
My canini in bikini.
Ajá, ajá.
You're taking your head off. How adorable.
Damn, bro. She little bro you, bro. She little bro you, bro. Watch out.
I could sleep like this. Now this is what I call the lazy river. I am a sloth piece of tree.
Smile.
He said he had a wedgie.
Damn, Matthew. Why is she exposing you like
I'm
that?
exposing him playing, so don't listen to him. He's just embarrassed that he has a wedgie right now.
¿Qué dijo? Hey, pásala allá abajo. ¡Mi gente! Aquí andamos en el parque acuático Hurricane Harbor. Hay una bajada acá. ¡Ay! Encontramos a esta turista en este momento. Creo que no sabe mucho español. ¿Cómo se llama usted? Kaylee se llama esta señora. Dice que es de República Dominicana.
No,
¿De dónde?
de Salvador.
De Haití. De Haití dice que es. ¿Cómo le parece esta experiencia ahorita? ¿Bien? Oh, rainbow, yeah? Oh, I got it with the camera. Es el fin del mundo, van a sonar las trompetas. Tatara, 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 tatara.
There's a rainbow around the sun. Yeah, look.
It's the end of the world.
Las nubes causan ese efecto. Es the water particles.
¿Sí? ¿Sí? Enséñame más, Vegeta. Enséñame más, Vegeta. Cacaroto. Te voy a ganar. Y ahí sintió, ¿cómo es el verdadero terror? Y Cell sintió el verdadero terror.
En ese momento, Cell sintió el verdadero terror.
Hurry, hurry. Se quedaron atrás. Autism is real.
You know what? Cooperating?
No, I'm not.
No, something personal. On video.
Okay, I'll turn the camera off.
It's gonna go to our family, bro.
No.
Why you look like Mama Coco?
Because she's not Coco.
She's Mama Glen Coco. Just let it happen, buddy. Just let it happen. You hatched out of an egg almost 13 years ago. Bro, skibbity aura points.
Skibbity zip, skibbity double, yes, yes.
Mi gente. Entrevista a este señor. Okay. He's so cute. Hay una bajada acá. Me sacaste el hombro. Uy, pensé que había pegado la cabeza ahí. No. ¿Cómo queda bien? ¿Cómo se dice lifeguard? Ok, empezando ahora todos tenemos que hablar español.
Ok.
¿Te haces pensar doble? ¿Qué? ¿Qué dijo?
No estaba.
Este maje, con la pupusa en la frente y no sabe hablar español. Mami, va, de solo español, mami, no habla inglés. No habla inglés, ¿eh? Hay que hablar a chino. Muy apenas puede español.
Never be a vlogger.
Toda me mueve. Look at this guy drowning in a 3.6 inches water.
Hi.
Se está ahogando y ni se dan cuenta. It's right there.
That's my dad.
Who wants a hat? Onion rings, burrito, burrote, ensalada, un poquito de pura lechuga y más lechuga. No, hombre. Chicken tenders with applesauce,
French fries.
a burger for Melanie,
¿De la hora digo yo?
fries.
Te voy a buscarle un nacho, creo, a esto.
No tengo que no hay, yo no la voy a vender rico.
And the pizza. Damn, Kaylee, si lo que no comas me lo das.
Then let's do
What
it.
are you eating?
I'm waiting for my nachos.
Oh. ¿Este es de Lázaro? ¿Tú crees que se da cuenta si le agarro uno? ¿No? ¿Se lo agarro, ma? With a mouth full of food. That's crazy.
How do you think the trip is going?
Awesomeness. You gotta record tomorrow. Tomorrow's my birthday. Well, not my birthday party. On Monday is my birthday. Oh, why are you walking away?
Have you?
Tell us a
We
joke.
were playing like who has the best joke. Do you have a joke?
Why did chicken jockey cross the road?
Why did Chicken Jockey cross the road? Why?
To get his jockey.
To get his jockey. No, I have one. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Why did the Chicken Jockey cross the road?
Why?
To get his jockey.
Great, he says the exact same thing as me.
How?
Yeah, but delivery matters.
That was a prank, bro. We're gonna do it to Michael. We're gonna do it to Michael.
Michael!
Tell us a
What
joke.
we're doing like a game of like who tells a better joke, you or me. So tell us a joke, and then I'm gonna say one, and then they're gonna say who has.
Why me and you?
Because I did it with everybody already.
Yeah.
You were literally telling us a bunch of jokes. Did you get that?
Oh wait, I think I did. Jesus.
Wait, he has a joke.
I'm thinking of the joke.
Say it.
I'm thinking of it. That goes to in my head.
Damn, your aura point just fell, bro.
Hurry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hurry up, Michael.
I'm thinking.
5 horas después.
Why did the chicken lay an egg?
Why did the chicken lay an egg? Why?
To create a new species.
To create new species. Okay, my turn.
What to create new generation?
Here I go. Why did the chicken lay an egg?
Why?
To create a new species.
What the hell?
This guy looks like Matthew.
I am Matthew.
Why is it warm here? Did you pee there?
No. I did not pee here. Stop!
You made it. That was awesome.
I told y'all. The other time it slipped by accident.
No! Swing! Swing! Swing hard! Swing hard! Yeah! Go! Go! We believe in you! In front of everybody? Hey, Bradford. At least you tried, bud. That was too easy. Okay, you know what doing her? She knows how to swing her body. No need to be swinging it back.
We're doing it!
Yes.
That's my brother! And that's my cousin! If he make it, that kid's smart. And when you're ready, he's sorry. Come on, Michael! Swing!
Oh no, please. Come on. Michael, you're so close. Go. You're so close. Yes. We made it. No one believed it. I believed it.
Close your mouth. Good job. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump. Close your mouth. Jump.
Ah.
1, 2, 3, go. Go. I got you. Con este rato de estamos pegando de
Otra vez.
Close your mouth. Okay. 1, 2. Close your mouth. 1, 2, jump. Again. ¿Cómo lo estamos haciendo?
Dale, Melanie. Ah, no es este.
You have to jump. Okay, mommy got you, but close your mouth. Close your mouth. Okay, and jump. 1, 2, jump. Mouth.
Dale, Melanie, dale. Close your mouth, Melanie. Dale, tírate, Melanie, tírate. ¡Ah! Matthew, ¿por qué no te vas a poner esto? Mira, toda la lluvia que estaba allá se fue. ¿Cuál es el problema? No quiero tocar el problema. Mira la carita, güey. Están preocupados. Se nos perdió un niño. El plan es ir a agarrar a Mati y hacerlo gritar. Recuerdo de equipo.
Estoy cansada. Subscribe to his channel.
I do not consent. Oh. Vamos a ir a comer. Otro video en Oligarden. Solo Oligarden traemos a mano.
Ella está acostumbrada. ¿Qué es lo que van a hacer? Dice ahí. Mira.
Si tiene hambre la...
No, pero hay que dar lo que hacer de boca.
Ella no se va a morir de hambre. Sí, ¿por qué?
Me le cayó. Ay, mi amor, te ayuda. Dame, te ayudo yo. Más que ni servilleta tengo aquí.
Es lo malo que me caen cuando me dan los trapos. Y por eso me vino porque los cargadores tenían una estrella.